Hi everybody, Namaste and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anand Prakash. I am a wellness coach. I have been teaching yoga since long time and I have a different experience of conducting yoga group classes, corporate class, private classes and lots of meditation seminars. Today I came up with a very interesting video, Yoga for Your Beauty. Usually we are doing the different exercise every day for the bicep, for the tricep, for the thigh, for the core, for the back, but hardly we are doing any exercise for our face muscles. Similarly to the different muscles, we need exercise for your face. In yogic science, it is said that face is the mirror of your mind. The benefit of this exercise are, it helps to release your wrinkles. After the certain age, if you do not do any exercise, your face muscles will sag and you will get lots of problems. You looks older and muscles become sag, pigmentation, pimple and then lots of issues. If you practice this exercise every day, believe me, within 10 days, no doubt, if you practice this exercise, within 10 days you will get the better benefit. So just, you can see in my face, I am the proof. I am doing this exercise every day. You need to invest just 5 minutes once a day. So let us start the practice for facial yoga. Before moving into the practice part, you need to do some warm-up for your face. After warming up your face, then only you can do the exercise. So here I am teaching you how to do the warm-up for your face. Keep your back straight, body loose, face relaxed, and then just watch me. Here I am warming up my facial muscle. I am vibrating my face muscles. After doing this exercise, just vibrate your facial muscles for 2 times, and then you can do the exercise. One more time. Body loose, face relaxed. Number 1 exercise. Just apply the luck. Use your palm and press on the outer cover of your jawline. This is your jawline. So you have to press in this way. Make sure you have to correctly press on your jawline, otherwise you will not get the stretch here. So not like this. Keep your fingers, spread your finger, press with your outer edge of your palm and keep your neck and spine straight. Be comfortable. After this, after pressing, push your lips forward as like you are kissing somebody else. Okay? Just I am demonstrating you. Press first, take support of your palm here and then push your lips forward. Hold and feel the stretch. And then release. Push your lips forward. Hold there. And then release. Push your lips forward. Hold and release. Here you will get entire stretch on your face area, especially in this area. Do this 20 times. Now the second exercise. Saw your upper teeth. In the beginning, it is not easy to saw your teeth. So you can use the mirror while doing this exercise. Saw your upper teeth and just move your tongue in U shape. So gently saw your upper teeth, not the lower teeth, and then tongue out. Here, please make sure Do not push your tongue completely out. Just move in U shape so that you will get the nice exercise for this part of your body. Okay? This is the second exercise. You need to practice 20 times. Now moving towards the third exercise. Third exercise is releasing the smile line. If you see somebody's face, you can easily observe the smile line. So that is due to the lack of the exercise. The muscles became sag, so that you can easily see that face wrinkle lines. So you can release that wrinkle line with this exercise. So push your tongue upward, pushing your tongue, and then just focus where is the smile line. Suppose this is my smile line, and push your tongue upward and move in this way. Do this 20 times. Till 20 times you will get the nice and beautiful pain. That's very good. If you feel pain, that means your muscles are engaging. Now do the same on the opposite side. Push and move. Please remember, while doing this exercise, take support of the mirror. Now the fourth exercise. Spread your finger and just gently press on your eyebrow. Fingers on the crown of your head. Back straight. Now opening your eyes and opening your mouth. So here your entire muscles are stretching. At the same time, you will get a slight stretch on the lower eyelids. So this will tone the lower eyelids muscle. You need to open your eyes completely, yes. So just fingers are for support and back straight. Keep your eyes open, yes, and close, yes. All right. Do this 20 times. Now the fifth exercise. Keep your back straight, face relaxed. Now feel air inside your mouth. Hold for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, just move. Switch your mouth right and left. Do it 20 times and then up and down. Now just gargle. Suppose that you are putting the water inside your mouth. Just gargle. You will get the beautiful pain on your cheeks. Now at last, without releasing the air outside, gentle press with the middle of your palm so that you should feel the resistance on your facial muscle. And release. All right. Now, number sixth exercise. Keep your back straight, body loose and relaxed. Both lips on the one side and turn your eyes to the opposite side and hold for 10 seconds. this exercise 10 times. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video. Please practice this exercise. Invest 5 minutes every day. And within 10 days, no doubt, you will get the benefit. And if you are not getting any benefit, just text me. You might did something wrong practice, yes. Or just practice and just comment in the comment section. I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button and share with your friends and family member. And at last, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to watch these kinds of video in the nearly future. Thank you very much. Namaste.